Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, your different drivability modes and trailer mode there, push button 4x4 fog lamps, in-bed lighting, automatic headlamps, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control there, black bow tie and audio controls. Column shifter with push button ignition. We have a large touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. We have parking sensors, auto stop start, integrated trailer braking system as well with the trailering package. USB port. We have dual glove box locking bottom. Obviously this Trail Boss has the all black interior. Bose audio speakers throughout as well, giving you that beautiful Bose sound, and our black leather heated seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the LT Trail Boss here, we got the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful all black rims there with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. Making our way up here, black door handles, black window trim, Z71 off-road package, big tires, mud flaps installed. This Trail Boss does have the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, giving you that larger stance. With the LT Trail Boss, you get the black front bumper, parking sensors, fog lights, red tow hooks, LED daytime running lamps, black bow tie, Z71 grille. On our mirrors, there's LED lighting, rear tinted privacy windows, Trail Boss decal on the back, LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, easy open and close tailgate, and of course your trailer tow hitch and accessories. Taking a quick look at the interior here, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they do have the in-seat storage feature. We have a rear sliding window with defrost, solid roof with extra headroom carved out over top, some lighting up top, USB charging ports, and floor liners as well. Seat folds up in that 60/40, giving you the under seat storage option and ample room on the ground. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss 1500. If this is your next V8 crew cab factory lifted pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.